Hola, hola, hola guys, it's me, and I'm coming to you with two lip kits that I am currently enjoying very, very much. And I entitled this video, you know, the title that it has, because it's simply that. I really think that these two lip sets are perfect for this season. It was perfect going spring, summer, and one of them going into fall. I just think that it has all around good colors. So if you're into neutrals, one set is great for you. If you are a little more daring and you like more non-traditional colors, then the other set is definitely for you. I go both ways. I love neutrals and I love crazy kooky colors, so both sets definitely benefited for me. So the first set I'm actually going to go into is the Lilly Lashes set by Sephora. This is actually a new liquid lipstick set that came out exclusively from Sephora, and it's by Lilly Lashes, so that was pretty nice. So as you can see, this is a case and it has 4 colors. It actually has 4 liquid lipsticks and a lip gloss. So I'm just going to show you these colors really quickly so that you can see them, and then I will try my bestest to swatch them on my lips so that you can see. As always, my same disclaimer that my poor lips always suffer because they're very sensitive. So if they, you know, tend to look red or whatever out of the lines, whatever, then you understand what is going on. So here are the colors right here. Now the first color, and I'm actually wearing it right now, this is the color Money, which is a very nice light nude, as you can see. So this is the first color, Money, and I absolutely love this color because this is a perfect everyday color that you can use all the time. If you're into neutrals, you can do it with, you know, just going out or whatever. This is just a no effort lip color. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into the next color. Next color is Boss Babe, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my lips. Okay guys, so this is the next color. This is Boss Babe, and as you can see, this is definitely a darker nude. To me, it kind of looked a little light in the packaging, as you can see. And here's the packaging just so that you can take a look at it really quick. It is basic packaging and nice, I'm gonna say hard plastic, and it just says Lilly Lashes by Sephora Collection. I don't know why my poor camera is not focusing like it should. I have to say, and I hope, there you go, my camera had a fall the other day. It fell on straight up, what kind of flooring do I have? Gee whiz. Yeah, so I have ceramic tiles, so my camera was on my ring light, and I was unscrewing the camera off of the ring light to take it with me because I had a client to do makeup on, and the camera totally fell and hit the ground. I wanted to die. I wanted to cry, but the camera did not break. It just has a scratch around, not even on the lens, like right on the side of the beginning of the lens. So listen, Jesus saved my camera that day. So anyway, going back, so yeah, so this is the color Boss Babe. The next color I'm gonna go into is this nice red color, and this is called Hustler, right? Yes, Hustler. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this on for you guys. Okay, so this is Hustler, which is a very, very nice red. It is a nice, true, vivid red. And this is one of my favorite reds so far that I am using. So I really, really love this. It's just so nice and bright and makes your teeth look nice and bright as well. So yeah, so this is Hustler. So now the fourth one, this is called Self-Made. And this is actually a lip gloss. So I'm going to just swatch it really quick. It's really, really light. It's very clear, as you can see. And it just has a real just subtle sheen on it. So I'm guessing, and I haven't, this is actually the only one I have not used because these days I'm just not really into glosses as much as I used to be. But I'm assuming that you can put this on top of the lipstick like I'm going to do right now. And this actually looks really nice if you can see that. it actually is giving this red a really pretty effect. So I really like that. That gives it a nice shine. Really nice gleam. I'm really enjoying that. Some of the color did obviously go on the doe foot applicator. So if you could see that. So if it bothers you, don't do that. If it doesn't bother you, then, you know, then do you. So yeah, so this is the first lip set. Again, this is the Lilly Lashes by Sephora liquid lipstick lip set. So I really like this lip set. I recommend you get it. I think that it's really decent for the price. You get 3 colors and a lip gloss that you can use as a topper if you prefer, or to use it by itself. I really think it's a good collection. I think the lasting power is very nice. I've been using them for a little while now. They do come off easy, like I said. With any other liquid lipstick, it's gonna come off if you eat something greasy or something with oil, or, you know, if it's fried or whatever, then it's gonna come off. But overall, I think that the lasting power is pretty decent. I really do enjoy it. Do I have to reapply during the day? Maybe once. I really don't remember reapplying so much with these lipsticks. If you do, I mean, it's really gonna be very sparingly. It's something that it does not bother me at all. The formula is really nice. It does not seem drying to me. It felt very comfortable with application. It did not dry out my lips. I didn't feel like I had gunk on my lips and my lips were dry and cracked because of the formula. It actually felt really nice and comfortable to me. So if you want a nice affordable lip set where you actually get a couple of lippies and a lip gloss, then I'm going to go ahead and recommend that for you. So I'm gonna go into the next lip set, and this lip set has actually been out for a little while, but I just decided to incorporate it in the video because I think that it's a nice lip set too, and I think that, you know, just wanted to shine some attention on it, so to say. So this is another collection from Sephora. If you're not familiar with it, this is the Moschino by Sephora set, and they actually had quite a couple of products in the collection that came out. This was not the only thing. However, this was the only item I picked up because I personally was not really interested into the other products. The other products were like sponges, and the whole theme was like a school theme. So the sponges were in form of pencil erasers and things like that. So it was a very cute collection, but I didn't care for it. But what caught my eye was the liquid lip sets. So if you follow me on Instagram, then you would know that I just love wearing these crazy non-traditional shades, and these by far are really some of my favorites if you're into purples and pinks and things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these colors for you, and this includes 5 liquid lip sets, and I'm just gonna open it just so that you can see how it looks. And the style of these liquid lip sets is that they're actually in the form of a magic marker. So it looks like a magic marker, as you can see, which I think was really cute, but it is a liquid lipstick. So here you can see is the doe foot applicator, and I'm gonna say this is gonna be pretty much, I think, this almost the same formula as the Lilly Lashes by Sephora. So I'm gonna stop talking now, and I'm going to start wiping my lips, and I'm gonna start swatching them for you guys. So the first one I'm going to swatch for you guys is this hot pink color, and this one is called Power. Okay, so this is the color Power, which is a bright fuchsia pink. So I like this color. Pink is always my first love, so I'm always falling for these pinks. It's nice and bright, perfect for summer. So again, this is the pink color of the collection, and this is in the color Power. So now I'm going to go into this color, which is Command, and I had done this color actually in my video, which I believe was the entitled the first makeup tutorial in Spanish. So I did that here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and swatch it on my hand so that you can see it's a very pretty corally color. I don't know if I should swatch this or not because it was on my last video. So should I swatch it again? I don't think I want to. So I'm gonna go ahead. You know what? I'm gonna swatch it. Okay, so I decided to put it on. So this one is Command, as you can see, and this is a really nice bright, it's like a corally orangey color, and this is really one of my favorites of the set. Now, disclaimer with this set before I go on, some of these colors, and it's really particularly the lighter ones like this one, or the next one that I'm going to pretty much show you right now, they kind of get streaky, but I think that happens a lot in the lighter colors. They tend to be streaky because they're so light and pastel, so they tend to just be a little streaky on your lips. So it's not a deal breaker for me, because if you put it on, with enough care and you really correctly put it on, then it won't be so bad. Usually when I have that problem of like streaking, instead of putting on the color like this, like we tend to do, or we go like this, what I would do is just start from the middle and go back, and then do the same on the other one. And you see that that's definitely going to help with the streakiness, and that will help with any streaky liquid lipstick that you have, not just these. And I think that if you put it like that, it's going to improve a little bit more how you put on those streaky colors, so to say, and a lot of the products won't be so much of a deal breaker. When I first bought this set in particular, I had noticed like there was a little bit of streaking, and I was like, oh, let me change the application a little bit. So it really doesn't bother me anymore, and it's definitely not a deal breaker, and I just really enjoy the coverage. Definitely full coverage, as you can see, definitely opaque in the color. Formula is a little bit, I'm gonna say maybe a little different. It feels like a tad thicker than the Lilly Lashes by Sephora, but it isn't anything to be scared about or anything like that. Either way, I really do like the formula. I like both formulas. So I'm going to go ahead and go into the next color, and this is in the color Enter, and this is definitely a pastel lavender purple. So I'm really liking this one, so I'm going to go ahead and swatch that for you guys. Okay guys, so this color is Enter. As you can see, it's a beautiful pastel lavender purple. I really like this color. This is one of my favorites. I'm so sorry if my lips are looking just really red. They're looking so red around my lips, so sorry about that. That's just happens with the territory. Gotta be careful with these colors. These colors are personal, choice. I know that not everyone, uses colors like these. This is not everyone's cup of tea, but I really, really enjoy this color. So again, this is the color Enter. So now I'm gonna go into the next color, and it's a darker purple. But I think what I'm gonna do first is I'm going to use this color first. I'm going to swatch this one before the last one, which is a very dark purple. This is the color Escape, and this is a very, very, as you can see, teal liquid lipstick. So I'm going to go ahead and try this one on, and hopefully my lips will not fall off by the end of this video. So this is the next color. This is Escape, as you can see, and this is like, wow, this is out there. So yeah, this is like crazy kooky neon turquoise color. It's crazy. It reminds me of like candy or something. So yeah, so this is the color. If you are brave, mija, if you are brave, you can use this color. So we'll see when I decide to become brave and use it. So the last color of this set, and this is in the color Shift. So here it is, the darker purple, so I'm gonna go ahead and show that to you guys right now. Okay, so here is the last color. It is Shift, as I said. So this is a very dark purple. I think in my eyes, it's a very dark, almost like a blue violet color. So I don't know if that's what it's giving off to you guys, but that is the color that it's kind of giving off to me. So there are the colors. Again, the first color are the neutrals and this pop of red color. Very beautiful set. That's the Lilly Lashes by Sephora. And then if you want to be funky, then we have these funky liquid lipsticks from the Moschino by Sephora set. So if you're interested in either one, they're both obviously at Sephora.com. I do not know if they're in stores. It's actually been a while since I've been inside a Sephora store because I just always order from them online. But yeah, if you want to check, but if not, you can definitely find them online. So yeah, these are my two favorite sets that I find myself to be using quite often these days. The nudes, I really like it. The red, the pop of red, I think everyone really needs at least one red in their arsenal of liquid lipsticks. And if you're kooky crazy and you like to be non-traditional once in a while, then I definitely recommend the Moschino Lip Set by Sephora as well. Now, all of these colors were just beautiful, opaque, full coverage. As you can see, formulas are both very similar. They're comfortable, non-drying in my opinion. I did not experience any drying, if you know, or anything like that. The only colors that I would say in the Moschino collection that are kind of streaky, that you would have to put on a little more carefully, just handle a little bit more with care, would be these two colors, Command and Shift. I noticed that these were just a little tiny streaky, but it's not a deal breaker for me. Like I said, again, when you apply these colors or any color that appears with streaks, I recommend that you just really start with your applicator from the middle and going outwards. And I find that for me personally, I find that that helps a lot, and just be careful in your application so that it doesn't appear so streaky. And of course, use discretion if you want to use a second coat or third coat depending. But yeah, I really like these two sets. I think that they're perfect for the summer now. I think they're absolutely awesome, and they're very affordable for the amount of lippies that you are getting. So that's it. Just wanted to throw this out to you guys. I hope that you go and run in store or online and pick up one of these kits. So thank you guys for watching. Watch me ramble and watch my lips all get all red and funky. And I will see you guys very, very soon with the next video. Adios.